So imagine you've sweated, criticized yourself, even said, oh, this is stupid, nobody's gonna watch this. And they are watching, they are reading. You know who else might be watching and reading your content? These AI models, especially if you have not opted out or put some protection. This isn't new, this is not groundbreaking, and you're likely like, why are you making a video on? Well, YouTube has recently changed their policy on allowing you, the content creator, to either opt in or opt out on whether your content can help train these AI models. So if you keep watching, I'll show you how you can continue to stay in control of your content and make informed decisions in this new AI era. You are new here. Welcome. My name is Nequosha. Same Q sound as in quote. I always tell people if you can say quote, you can say Nequosha. I am a business and intellectual property attorney, and I've been doing this for over 12, 13 years now. And where I live and thrive is making sure that content creators, small business owners just like you, are aware of things that impact their ability to maintain and own the things that they develop. And you need to be able to know what choices you actually have, especially legal choices, because as a content creator, as a business owner, any choice you make will likely have a legal impact. Here's the update. YouTube, yes, this very platform that you're watching me on is giving you a say in whether your videos will be used to train AI models. And the best part, the very best part is the default is off. Oh, she said, like renting out your house. You get to decide who has a key to open the door and who doesn't. Why does this matter? Why is this important? Why are you making a video trying to capture natural light, Nequosha? You are building your personal brand, or you're establishing a brand for your business, for your service, for your product, whatever you're selling. AI is here and it is disrupting all types of industries. I don't care where you work, where you live, where you get your money. It's all over there, right? And if it hasn't got there yet, it is likely on its way. You as a content creator is saying who, what, when, where, and how. There are a lot of platforms that aren't giving you this actual right. If you are a blogger and you're making blog posts, there are crawlers. There are things called little robot crawlers, and they come out and they comb the internet up, down, sideways, and forwards for content. They are building these artificial intelligence models off of your content, whether it's a video, whether it's a blog post, whether it's a social media content, whether it's a thread on Reddit. They are building it to learn the nuances of how we interact as humans. And so you're feeding it what it needs. And so if you're feeding it what it needs, shouldn't you get a say so? Shouldn't you get a cut? Shouldn't you say yes, no, maybe so? Where me my money? Right. So this is groundbreaking because without consideration of what that platform will or won't do, or what that crawler will or won't do with your content, you don't really have a right. You don't have a say so. You don't get to on. Okay. Insert Miss Janet Jackson if you're nasty. Control is gone. Exactly. Do you take control? The first things you can do is make sure you head over to your YouTube studio if you're a YouTuber, right? And make sure you either check the box saying that you want them to use it, or you check the box saying you don't. Now, if you go in and out, maybe you flippy floppy because you're not really sure, just understand that you do have the right to opt in and out. This means that research third-party companies will have to know whether or not you've opted in and out, and you need to make sure you stay on top of either watching these videos. So if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, or get on the email list so you can be one of the first to know these types of updates, because I spend my time monitoring this type of stuff. This is where I get off, okay? Everybody got their jollies. All right. Few of the frequently asked questions. What's in it for me? Right now, YouTube is not paying content creators for this. So that means that your content is out here making money for other people and it ain't trickling down to you. Now, you may be like, well, of course I get ad dollars and I have the subscribers and I have the viewer count and all this other stuff. That's just one pot of income. Just imagine another pot of income you could actually have if they said, hey, we want to pay you for the content that trained our AR model so we can go and do this other thing. That's what licensing is. That's what people use intellectual property creations for. They create it and then they leverage it for something else. Also, let's say you change your mind. You say yes one day, or maybe you're like, okay, maybe I want my stuff to work over there. You can do that. You can right now go back and forth. Now, at the time of this recording, you can go back and forth. I'm not sure if that's going to change in the future. If you say yes and you're like, yes, it's concrete, or if you say yes and then maybe it's a little, I changed my mind. I don't want to do that no more. So the setting is flexible based on your schedule. So just give it a little time. They're saying right now it's about 7 whole days. 7 before the change will go into effect. Recap this, because make the decision to opt in or whether you make the decision to opt out, the creative control is totally up to you. So I am so thankful you've watched this video. I hope it was informative. And as a content creator, remember, your content is valuable. It is your key to changing your life and sustaining your impact. So if you want to make sure you have autonomy over where your content goes, who sees it, and how you can actually earn an income from it, make sure you are protecting your rights, because intellectual property, whether it's artificial or not, it needs a person to actually create it. It needs you. The world needs you. Okay, all right. Sorry for all the kumbaya. But at the end of the day, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more insights on how you can protect your brand, grow your business. And if you have a question, go ahead and drop it in the comments. And if you are choosing to opt in or out, let me know. I mean, let's get a little intimate, shall we? All right. Until next time.